welcome to my channel, and here we are going to work on this particular problem. And as we have here, that figure 1 shows two views of a block, and here we are told that we should make a freehand sketch of the isometric view of the block, making x the lowest point, and this will be awarded 20 marks. Okay, now so we are to put this part together and get an isometric block of this particular orthographic views, and these views are given in third angle projection, and this is the plan or the top view, and this is the front elevation, and this is point x that we're asked to make the lowest point in our freehand sketch. So we go on now and make a sketch of the object. So to sketch this object, so we need to produce this rectangle, and then so this is part of the front elevation, and then the whole of this rectangle is part of the top view. So we are going to produce this rectangle, and then we produce this rectangle together, then we make the base, then we are going to build this cylindrical part on it, as we have circle here, so it's a cylindrical part. Then the web, we also build it on this part. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to do here is to sketch a horizontal line like this, and then so we have a point somewhere here, and this point is the lowest point x. Then at this point we draw a line, and we sketch a line in this direction, and then so we also sketch a line from this point in this direction. Then we are going to make a short vertical line, so like this. Okay, so from the same point x, and then so we make a line to be parallel. We sketch a line that is parallel to this line in this direction like this. Okay, so alright, then also so we also make a line, sketch a line that is parallel to this line in this direction. Then we are going to make a vertical line that is parallel to this vertical line. So like this, I think if I look at it, this is not parallel. Okay, so I need to adjust it. Okay, I think this is better. Then I also need to sketch a line in this direction that will be parallel to this one. So we are just looking at it like this. Okay, so then we are going to terminate it at this end here. So we terminate it around here. So and then so we join this together, and we make a vertical line to complete the whole of the base. So I think this is better. So as we have it here, so this is the base, and let me show you what we have sketched so far. So first of all, this rectangle here is this rectangle, and this rectangle here that we have here is this rectangle that we have like this. So that is the first part. So now we are going to produce the cylindrical part. We are going to produce cylindrical part. That is the next thing that we are going to do. So what we need to do for that, if you look at where the cylindrical part is placed here, so we have it away from this end, a little bit away from this end, a little bit away from this end here. So as we have here that we have 80 millimeters, so we are not taking the measurement, so it means that the center line that we are going to give to this should be around here. So I'm going to do that, right? So I'm going to make a square. I'm going to sketch a square at this point, and it goes like this. So so we draw a line, or we sketch a line like this. So this line should be parallel to this end, and also so moving away a little bit, so I also sketch a line around here like this, and then so I will also, so I want to sketch a square. That's what I'm trying to do. So we also sketch this, and also we sketch this. So so looking at what we have here, this doesn't look like a square, doesn't look like a square. So I'm going to plane it, and I will draw it. This is freehand sketching, so you need to have your eraser with you. Okay, so I go on again to make that sketch. So this goes like this, and then I think I need to be around here. then we make, okay, so also I sketch like this. I think this looks like a square a little bit. So now, so I'm going to make a sketch of a vertical line up like this, and here also I do the same like this, and then at this point also I will do the same. I will still need to rub off some parts of the object when I'm done. Let's continue. So here also, so I come up here and make a line like this, and also I will sketch a line, so in this direction. So when you are making a freehand sketching, so you are not to tape your paper. I've said that several times in freehand sketching, freehand sketch work that I've done. So then I will complete this like this. So this has formed a cube. So now, so on this cube, I'm going to make an isometric circle, so that we go like this. Okay, so this is an isometric circle. So then also around here also I just make an isometric curve like this. So I'm not going to complete this. So also around here I'll just make it like this. Okay, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a vertical line to connect this together, and also I will draw a vertical line to connect this together. So we are having the cylindrical part coming out a little bit. So I'm going to rub this this cube. I'm going to rub this line off so that I can have the cylinder completely. So I will pause the video and do that while I clean it. So I've rubbed off the line, so I need to work more here. So I need to work more here. So on this part, so I need to adjust this circle to make it look better. Okay, so not perfect, but better than how it was. Okay, so I think, so I've tried a bit. Okay, then so this line I may still rub it off. So I must still rub it off. Okay, so just, and then so we have another circle inside, which makes it a hole. Sorry, so this is not going right. So when you are making freehand sketching of an isometric block, you don't have to rush yourself. So I think 30 minutes is given to this, so for you to produce it. So okay, so just let me leave it like this, and then so this part also. Alright, so then so I'm going to, so this line I need to produce this line, and this line also. So let me just leave it like this for now. So let's put the web. So for the web, as we have it here, this is the web as we have it here. This is the front elevation of the web, and this is the top view of the web, or the plan of it. So it only touched somewhere around here. It doesn't touch this part. So we have it somewhere around there. So let's do that. So what we need to do is that, so I'm going to draw a line. So from here I will sketch a line like this, and also then I'm going to, from this point I will produce a vertical line, so going up like this. Then I will just make something like this. So I believe you can see what I'm doing. So then I'm going to connect these 2 points together like this. Connect these 2 points together, and also so I bring this down here like this. Okay, so I can rub this off. So let me rub this off. Okay. and then I need to rub this off. Okay, now so we're almost done. Okay, so with what I've done here, I've made the sketch of the isometric block as we are instructed. I've made it. So it's as simple as I've done it here. So all you need to do is to practice it. So you practice it. So I practice it. You surely know it, and even know it better than I do. Know it better than I do. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me complete this. Alright, so this is the isometric block that we are asked to sketch. It's as simple as I've done it. Thank you and God bless you.